Hello traders, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Kennel. Today we're going to be looking at the Knight Hunter Pro version 6.56 for MetaTrader 4. I'm going to be dropping this link in the description below, but all you need to do is to head over to tradingkennel.com and search for the Knight Hunter Pro, and then you're going to click on the search option and then come up to this page here. Okay, so you can see a little bit of description about the expert advisor. Also MetaTrader 4, you can see the author also. The currency pairs is Forex, the trading time is a 5 minutes time frame, and you can see the rest of the information here. Okay, so this expert advisor is $25 only, but there's something we're working on right now on Trading Kennel called subscriptions. So with subscriptions, you can subscribe to a membership and download this product for just $49 per month. Okay, so if you head over to your downloads here, you'll be able to see the expert advisor, and then you can download it straight away without having to pay for this expert advisor. Okay, so if you head over down here, you can see a bit of a description about the expert advisor, the time frame where it works on, the requirements for the installation, and also a little bit of conclusion. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at the installation of this expert advisor. So let's proceed to do that. Okay, and also guys, for the subscriptions, you don't just get access to download all of our expert advisors for $49 per month. You also get access to custom requests. So if there's an update for a third-party expert advisor, you can request for that update and we'll make it available for you. Okay, you can also view our strategy reports where we upload profitable strategies that you can trade manually. You can also download the automated file for MT4, MT5, or TradingView. You're going to get access to all of that for just $49 only. And it is going to be available hopefully by the end of this week. Okay, so let's just head over to our downloads here. We are subscribed to the membership already. So let's download the Knight Hunter Pro here. Alright, so you can see that has been added to our downloads here. So I'm just going to click on this and show this in folder. And I'm going to copy this here. I'm going to minimize this here, head over to my desktop. Just create a new folder here. Open up this folder and then paste the expert advisor here. Alright, so just going to extract this here. Okay, so we've extracted the file here. And you can see we have the experts and the presets. Now, this Knight Hunter Pro doesn't require a DLL file. Okay, so you don't need to disable your antivirus to install this file. Okay, so we have the experts and we have the presets. So let's open up the experts directory. We right click on this, click on copy, then open up our MetaTrader 4. Cancel out of here, open up file, open up data folder, and then open up our MKL4, open up the expert file, and then paste this here. Alright, so replace the file. And then next, we need to head over back to the presets. And then we can just copy all of these presets here. You can see we have the list of the presets. We have the best pairs. We have the NHP best pairs. We have the extreme. We have the FTMO. We have the XTMO 10-month swing. Okay, maybe in our live meeting, we're going to be looking at all of these pairs and then talking about how they work. Maybe what are the values that has been changed, or are the values that remain consistent. Okay, so let's just head over back to our MetaTrader 4 and head over back to file. Open our data folder, and then head over to MKL4, open up the presets directory, and then create a new folder here, call it Knight Hunter Pro. And then just double click on this and then paste all of the set files here. Okay, that's going to help us identify the set file whenever we want to use it. Okay, so if you head over back to Trading Kennel here, you can see some of the expert advisors, the currency pairs to trade on. So it says Forex. Okay, and then so let's open this up on demo Forex pair. Let's just say Euro USD. Okay, then let's head over to tools options. And guys, make sure you have allow automated trading turned on. So it means this button here is going to be turned on. You can see you can disable these options here, but make sure you have allow the imports enabled and allow web request. I'm also going to be attaching all of these URLs in the YouTube description, so you can add it to your web request. To add a URL to web request, just click on this, add the HTTP, and then add the rest of the values, and then click on enter. So just click on that. It's going to be added to the list of URLs. Okay, it's required for the expert advisor to be able to function properly. Okay, so make sure you have this enabled here, and then just go ahead over to view, head over to navigator, right click on the under the expert advisors directory. If it's closed, you can open it here. And then right click and then click on refresh, and then head over to the Knight Hunter Pro. Okay, so double click on it. Then you can see that's opened up here. All right, so we have the rig settings. We have some of the expert advisor values here. Okay, so maybe in future live meetings or videos, we are going to be explaining how these systems work. Okay, so let's just see if we can load some of the set files here. Open up the Night Hunter Pro and then click on best pairs, and then click on this. Okay, so you can see everything has been opened here. Okay, so we click on OK. Then you can see the Night Hunter Pro has now been enabled, okay, and is working properly. In a bit of a while, the news also would come up here. Okay, so give it some time, the news will be activated. Now you can see it also says M5 is needed, which means Expert Advisor works on the 5 minutes time frame. So we're going to take this down to the 5 minutes time frame, and then the Expert Advisor is going to reload, and you can see the 5 minutes required is now disabled. Okay, so everything has now been enabled. You can see the GMT offset says +3 default. Expected lot says 0.2, and then it has now been updated, and it says no news events coming up, which means we don't have any high news events or high macroeconomic events today. Okay, and this is exactly how the Expert Advisor works. So let's just head over to the Expert Advisor backtest and see how we can backtest this Expert Advisor. Okay, so let's just click on the Expert Advisor here, and then click on Night Hunter Pro. Okay, see Night Hunter Pro here. So I'm just going to drag this up a little bit. If you want this section to come up, let me just cancel it out. You can click on this section, guys. So this section here brings up the strategy tester. We're just going to load this on the EURUST on the 5 minutes time frame. And for the properties here, you can see some of the properties. I'm just going to leave everything as default, and then we're going to click our spread to current. Right, so they're going to run this on the visual mode. Then we're going to click on start. Okay, so we are running this from the 1st of 2021 to the 8th of 25th of 8th. Okay, so I'm just going to just run this so that you guys can actually see how the Expert Advisor works. Okay. Let's just see if there are any issues. It says not enough historical data. So we're just going to give it a while to be able to get enough historical data to begin to place the trades, okay, perform the analysis. Okay, so you can see it's now beginning to place trades. This is on the 5 minute time frame, guys. So you can see places a couple of trades here. This is a couple of trades here as well. Couple of trades here as well. And if you look at the graph and the results here, you can see most of them are profitable, 0.25, 0.25, thereabouts. Okay, this doesn't mean that this is how it's going to perform in real life. Okay, so our job is to backtest it and make sure that we understand how the trading system actually trades before going to perform the trading on the demo accounts. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out to us at the Trading Kernel support team. I'm more than happy to respond to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.